Hello, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry. Today we're going to be doing a simple experiment where we're going to be doing some color changing milk. Here are a few of the things that we are going to use. First, 2% milk. Next, regular dish detergent. Also, water, about a cup of water in there. We have food coloring. I have 3 different colors, blue, orange, and red. There's also 2 plates and a paper towel that you can use for messes, and also we're going to be using it as part of the experiment. So this is step 1. Just pour a little bit of milk onto the plate, just enough to cover the bottom of the plate. So now on to step 2, we have our plate with our milk on it. Now I'm going to put a little bit of yellow food coloring right into the center of the milk. Next, I'm going to be picking up my other color and I'm going to be putting that into the middle as well. This is red, just a drop. Now I'm also going to pick up my last food coloring, blue, and I'm going to put that into the middle of the plate too. Now on to step 3, we have our colors, and so now I'm going to take my dish detergent. This is regular old dish detergent, and I am also going to take my paper towel, and I'm going to just put a little bit of the dish detergent on the tip of the paper towel. As you can see here, that's what I have done. Now I'm going to stick this right into the middle of my milk and my colors. Watch what happens. Wow, our colors move to the edge of the plate. I wonder why this happens. So I'm going to stick it on the side here a little bit, and you can see a little bit more movement. And also, when I stick it in the middle, you can see that there's still a little bit more movement. Not as much as the first time, but the colors are still moving. So wow, look at how it looks now as compared to how it looked before. So now we're going to just try this again with water as the base instead of milk. So I'm pouring enough water to cover the base of the plate here. And I'm going to add my food colorings again right to the middle. Now the color is going to move a little bit when I add the blue and the yellow and the red, but that's just the water moving. If you can see, most of the dye is still concentrated in the middle. So this is not actually due to any chemical reaction. This is just due to the movement of the water. Remember what the milk looked like when it finished. So if the same chemical reaction happens, it'll look pretty much the same way with the water. So I'm going to dip it in now, and not much of a change. So a lot of the color is still concentrated right there in the middle with the water. Looks like only a little bit of the food coloring moved due to the movement of the water, and not much happened. So this is a picture of the milk when it was finished, and this is a picture of the water when it was finished. They're both really different, right? You're probably asking yourself, why? Why did this happen? Why does it look so different between the milk and the water? The secret is in the dish soap. Soap has 2 sides, which means that it's bipolar. It has a water-loving or hydrophilic side and a water-fearing or hydrophobic side. When the dish soap is dropped into the milk, the hydrophobic side chases after all those fat molecules. This is what causes the instant color burst. That's why you see all the colors move to the side, while in the water you don't see that, because water doesn't have any fat for the hydrophobic sides to grab onto. So there's no color change in the water. Fat molecules are kind of like water noodles. They're bending and twisting as the hydrophobic sides are chasing them. This is why you see an instant color change. This is our final product. And remember, don't drink that milk after you've put soap in it. That's not too safe. Thank you for joining us for Kitchen Chemistry. I hope you enjoyed.